Want to learn how to use campaigns to drive more revenue for your business? In this video, you'll learn the 3 best practices to help you reach your revenue goals with text message campaigns. But first, if you're finding this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more content like this. Best practice number 1, use segmentation for targeted text message campaigns. While messaging your full text subscriber list is important, targeted campaigns to specific segments are just as critical for delivering personalized messages that drive more revenue. Start by breaking down your audience into smaller groups based on engagement. And to maintain a strong message delivery rate, create a text message error segment to group all of the profiles that have logged a temporary error in the last 30 days so you can exclude them from receiving your text campaigns. That way, you can selectively send messages to profiles that are more likely to take action and make a purchase. Then, as you continue to send text messages, make sure to stagger the segments you send to on a regular basis. Best practice number 2, send at least 2 text campaigns per week. Our top performing brands in Klaviyo send at least 2 text campaigns per week. This allows them to send more exclusive offers only available for text subscribers in order to draw stronger revenue growth over time. While some weeks may vary, this sending strategy often looks like 1 campaign for new product alerts, flash sales and announcements to all active subscribers, and 1 targeted campaign for early access, special exclusive deals, or sales and promotions to targeted segments. Best practice number 3, bundle text and email together for really big, high-impact campaigns. Think about your brand's major marketing moments: Black Friday, Cyber Monday, semi-annual sales, or new product releases that aim to draw in more sales. By combining email and text, you can significantly boost the impact of these marketing moments on your customers and your revenue goals. This is because subscribers are more likely to see a text message before they see an email. Furthermore, they'll see corresponding content on 2 channels to help reinforce the importance of your message. And that's it. Now you have the knowledge to get the best return on investment for your text campaigns. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.